everyone, today we're comparing two popular trading platforms, the Pocket Option and the Olymp Trade. So let's find out which one is better for you. First up, for the minimum deposit, the Pocket Option only requires $5 to start, while the Olymp Trade needs $10. So the point goes to the Pocket Option. Now for the minimum trade size, both platforms let you trade with just $1. So in this one, it's just a tie. Now, the exciting part, which is the maximum payout. So, the pocket option offers up to 92% returns compared to the Olymp trades, which is 90%. So, another win for the pocket option. So both platforms gives you a $10,000 demo account to practice with. So this is really great for beginners. Now finally, the trading assets. So Pocket Option has over 100 assets to trade while the Olymp Trade offers around 80. So more variety with Pocket Option. So the final verdict for this one is Pocket Option takes this one with lower entry barriers and higher payouts. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!